Good day, YouTube. Nice blue sky. So, yeah, today will be a little bit short video. Just we are going to fix our manifold intake. So, bought some epoxy, a marine epoxy. So we'll fix it with that, and we'll see if that holds up. We'll test it and see how it does, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, we transfer chicks today. Chicks and one turkey. Looks like it's pretty happy. Yeah, you got but I think you got still 8. They're the smaller chicks. We are not even sure what they are. Like just mixed. Like three white ones, and then there's some other pretty interesting looking ones. So I want to have something different. So yeah, that's what it is. Got in some watermelon, left over from watermelon. Seem to like it. Yeah, also got some does on here. It's very interesting to see like how those can hold themselves. So yeah, just got in what, a little bit over a gallon of water. Got here some food, making it all messy already. They seem to like it, to pick it up from the floor. Guess my wife closed it on me. Yeah, we just put one turkey in there. Then we got 4 more turkeys here. Maybe for the night we will put one more turkey in there. We just try it and see how it all works. If they are peaceful or not, or if they just want to kill the chick. So with that one turkey, it seems to work pretty good. But yeah, we'll test it and maybe put another one today in there, and then just do it slowly, not all at one time. I think then they might think they own the whole chicken coop. So we'll switch to the do-it-yourself garage. So back here in the shop. Oh yeah, I thought it was only uh, the one place, but kind of looks pretty bad. That was only here, and now I see it's got 2 tubes of epoxy. I don't know if that would hold or whatever, but yeah, it's ripped like here, then looks like right till here, and then starts here again, all the way down to this point here. No, actually, pretty much like across here too. And then gets over the other side. So pretty bad. I don't know if epoxy will do enough, but mechanic told me that he would try that first. See if that will do the job. If not, then because there's no pressure in here, yeah, it's just water pumping through, and not any pressure in there, so should be fine. But sometimes it should and isn't, so we'll see what we can do about it. Clean it first and then mix our epoxy and put it on there. like crack here. It's almost cracked all the way, so it cracks on here. Now it's actually, I think, crack all the way here, and then it's crack here. So lots of cracks, but we'll still do epoxy and see if it holds up. I mean, if there's no pressure, it doesn't, nothing, there's no pressure against it, it should hold up, but yeah, I don't know too much about epoxy, how good it holds, so now I will just get pretty much just get all the dust off, probably get me some soap water and really clean it, the brush and everything that's nice and clean, and then we'll mix epoxy and put it on there. Now I have to go through mixing. Clean it nicely. Now we'll mix epoxy. So we are mixing here is marine well. So let's see how that goes. I think I just used the whole tube. That should be enough. There. Let's mix it truly. I never used it before, so we'll see if I'm doing anything right or everything wrong. It's getting dry. Guess now it's just wait and see. It's set time 5 minutes and should be done in 1 hour. Guess I'll come back in 1 hour. So it's been a little bit over an hour and 5 minutes or so. Kind of feels pretty good, I would say. I just I'm not very familiar with any welding. I think most of the guys will use GB weld and I use marine weld, so I don't know how good that will do, or will it even hold up? Whatever. But yeah, I guess the only way is to try it out and see how it will do. We'll test it probably today yet. Okay, as you can see, we put part back together. Got some bolts here to tighten on the exhaust header to put that on, and then should be good to go and give it another test. So see if it's holding up. Let's see you guys when we put everything together, ready to test. Then I put everything back together. It should be. Got my hose here that feeds at the water pump. No, not the water pump. Water pump is behind, but goes all the way through that engine. Before I just put the water on, and I got water dripping coming out of the drain plug at the engine. So that's just how I'm going to test it right now. Just see if it's doing the same or it's holding up. If it's not holding up, then there's no point of trying to put oil in there and whatsoever. But yeah, just going to get the hose and hook it up, and then we'll see where we are. Okay, good to turn on the water. Yeah, so it's far to go. Just one of my drain pumps here that broke, and I just put a screw in here. That one has a hole. Broke right in there, and that's all that. It's a little hole that broke. Right, well, so put a screw in there for now. We'll see if you can get that plug out, and then drain pump. So far, looks not bad. Not the camera at this stage. A little more. Yeah, wait. So and I have it halfway open. Can hear it, it's filling up the engine. Cooling apartments. There's water coming out. Let's see. Still dry. That's a good sign. And yeah. Only water, I think it's just from that plug there. So I think the only problem right now, at least as far as I can see, so that stays that way. Okay, I think that'll be it for today. Just I will do another test tomorrow, probably see if it still holds up, or maybe it chunked a little bit and it's not quite watertight, but for now it seems to be doing good. Water coming out here, and that plug just a little bit dripping. That's totally fine, I don't mind. So yeah, I think tomorrow we will put in oil. Maybe I will even do it tonight, put some oil in there, and yeah, just see if even it's standing. Yeah, but that'll be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.